everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to solve the Samsung phone not connecting to Wi-Fi situation. So to do that, at first, scroll, swipe on the top. Now go to your Wi-Fi settings and go to details. And in here, forget your network and tap on forget. And as you can see, the network is forget. Now restart your router directly. You can turn off your router and turn it on again. This is the restarting router, and reset the network settings and try to connect to your account. Try to connect to your Wi-Fi again. So I'm here giving my password and my credentials, and here tapping on connect. And as you can see, it is getting connected. So yeah, this is how you can connect to Wi-Fi on Samsung phone. Hope this video will help you out, and if it did, make sure to comment down below how it worked for you, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It will help us grow. Hope to see you in the next video.